I think any international team that loses at home are going to be fired up the following week. So South Africa didn't do us any favours, that's for sure. But I think that's a challenge. That's something we have to meet. They've had a loss at home, and they're going to be really fired up. They're going to be a physical team anyway. So, but we're ready for that. We were expecting that's that team anyway. So that's what we've been planning for the last few weeks around the sort of games we want to play and who we're going to play. So we're obviously going to get the French team at their best, which is awesome.
And one last one. What's more dangerous, Fijian flair or French flair?
Oh well, I think if you can hang on to the ball, they're both dangerous, and I think whoever can look after the ball the most and hang on to the ball will be the ones that come out on top. So we're working really hard on our ball possession, and I think both teams play a great. I mean, that's the idea. The ideal game of football, isn't it? When you come up here, France versus Fiji, both teams want to score. Both teams want to play footy, and